Good morning! It is 6:05. I am on my way to clinicals. I am in nursing school and I felt like I should just pull out the camera. So whenever I was starting nursing school, I had a lot of questions and I always was YouTubing like clinicals or nursing school and stuff like that. So I felt like, let me share my story. So I started off after I graduated high school. I went and did my basics for 2 years, and then I took 2 years off because I was kind of unsure of what I wanted to do, the route I wanted to take. I knew I wanted to do nursing, but it's just, I didn't know how I was going to do it or what path I wanted to take. Sorry, it's really dark because it's early. And so I was always like YouTubing to see other people's stories and stuff, which actually there really isn't that much stories out there. But I wanted to kind of bring y'all through my journey. So after the 2 years I took off, I was working in a doctor's office and I wanted to kind of further that. I was like, okay, I've been doing this for 2 years and I want to keep going. So I finally did it. I applied to the nursing program and I'm in the LVN program now. So I am going to continue to get my RN. But it's definitely been a journey. Nursing school is tough, but it's fun and it's going to be well worth it. So I'm really excited for the end. I only have like less than 2 months before I graduate the LVN program. So I'm really excited. So alright, let's go to clinicals, y'all. I need to get there at 6:30. I am on good time, so I will see y'all whenever I get there. Hey guys, so I am now out of clinicals. It is 1:56 in the afternoon, and today was a long day. But it goes by pretty quick, especially because like you're in school and you're learning. But now I'm super excited. I'm on my way to a university that I had started at, and I want to go finish there with my RN. So I'm on my way to go there to go see how I can get this application started. And yeah, so really crazy things happened today at clinicals. It's all about being a nurse. You have to be on your toes. People are staring at me. Oh god. But you have to be like on your toes and prepared for any situation, which is completely true. You have to be prepared for any situation in nursing. And so it was cool to just be a part of some of the stuff and help out the people there. But yeah, so I'm just leaving clinicals, heading to another school, and I'll get a little bit of footage. I am waiting on a friend, so that's why I'm parked, but I'm waiting on a friend and I am going to get this started so I can finish. I graduated like 6 years ago from high school, so I'm ready to get this show on the road and finish the school. The best thing, my advice, is not to wait. Just go for it. Whatever you're thinking, go for it. If you do need to wait, don't waste money and just fool around in college. Like, actually go for what you want to do, because you're going to be paying a lot of money. But don't wait. Don't put it off. If it's something you really want to do, just keep going for it. I had a lot of anxieties about nursing school and stuff, so I was always really nervous to get in and everything because of the field, and oh my goodness, am I gonna be able to make it? So I always had those anxieties, but I'm kind of just to the point where it's like, okay, I'll get over it, I'll figure it out, because this is something I want to do. So that's what I'm doing. I'm figuring it out and I'm learning as I go, and kind of just working with myself and trying to make myself confident, because that is the key, confidence. So I am about to leave and go to the school, so I will bring along the camera to kind of see the campus, but I don't want to show off the school or anything. So, alright, I'll see you guys later. Hello, I am back. I am home now, which I'm excited. It's now like almost 6 o'clock and I left my house this morning at 6 a.m. So I'm excited to be home. I'm going to feed my fishies, take a nap, and edit a video so I can put a video up because I need to stay more consistent with that. So I'm gonna feed my fishies. My little fishy tank. They're so cute. I literally just love to watch them when I'm doing homework or just whatever. They're so fun to watch. So I am going to take a quick little nap because I'm exhausted. And, oh, don't mind that messy bed. I didn't make it this morning. So I'm going to take a little nap and edit. And I will be back later to say goodnight to you guys. Hey guys, I just woke up from my nap, which was super necessary because I had like 3.5 hours of sleep last night. And I'll be back at it again tomorrow at 5:30. Wake up for 6:30 clinicals. But I love it. But yeah, the nap was super necessary. I did make my bed because I love having my bed made. And I'm actually sitting on it editing a video real quick. My little outfit of the day with my leggings because I could not take a nap in jeans. But I just want to get back on here and say thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions about like nursing school or my experiences, my anxieties or anything, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely answer or make a new video or something if you would like. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys. Ipsy bag. So what was pretty cute with this month's Ipsy bag is it's like a blank canvas.